video, I'll be doing an afternoon clean with me. This is just me coming home from work and cutting my grass and just getting some things done that need to be done around my house. And I apologize right now because some of my video from cutting my grass, so I don't know what happened, but it didn't record everything. But I'm going to go ahead and explain some of the things that happened. So I started off in tennis shoes, and I had on, those tennis shoes, and then I think I hit an ant pile because I had ants all over me. So I went inside, or went to my back porch, and I kind of like stomped my feet so the ants would get off of me. And then I went back to cutting, and then it happened again. So I ended up just going back inside and putting my rain boots on, because that's what I usually cut in anyways. I usually don't cut in my tennis shoes just because most of the time the grass is so high. So I end up putting my rain boots on. So when you see me in my rain boots, that's what happened. I went inside, I changed, and then somehow the video cut off, and so you don't get to see everything. But this is most of it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you also subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'm gonna stop talking now and just get started with the video.
We knew each other for so long, but we know our love like an old song. Sing along with me again. Yeah. When storms are moving in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. If we start remembering bad memories of the past, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Oh. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. When storms are rolling in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. If we start remembering bad memories of the past, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. that I won. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings.
Okay, so this has really been bothering me. My table is centered with my light above it, but now that I put that window on the wall and I put it centered with the wall, it's not centered with the table, and so it's kind of bothering me. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I may just take the window down. But then my mom's like, but Courtney, it looks so nice right there. Just leave it there. I don't know. What do y'all think? Should I just take it down or just leave it up? Because once you're like facing the other way of the table, you can't really notice it. But of course, with this angle, you can tell that it's not centered at all. I was so excited about that window, and now it's looking like this, and I just don't know what to do about it. But yes, please leave me a comment to like, what do you think? This is a further away, so you can kind of see more like what I'm talking about. So you just let me know, what do you think about the window hanging up right there?
Is it just me, or is it hard to agree with what you're trying to explain? I don't mind feather wings, no diamond rings, but that's not how you get to me, no. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, sweet delivery is never guaranteed, no matter the place or time. Oh, I like when you're whispering and really listening. Not too much fuss, so keep it easy. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, take my hand, come on, let's go. I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridge bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky.
Alright y'all, thank you so much for joining me in my cooking videos. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave that below, so you can do that. And until next time, bye!
No matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down.
Say thank you. Say thank you for watching. Say thank you. Cooper. 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 Cooper.